Good day. My name is J.M. Ncube. I'm the site manager for Network Craft. Welcome to Luveve North Land Development, where we're servicing stands, sewer, water, and roads. Today, once again, we are receiving another machine, which is going to increase our fleet and increase efficiency. We just finished surfacing roads phase 2, and we are going to be using this machine to excavate storm drains, which are in total drainage of 2.2 kilometers. Thank you.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emmanuel Magure from Barloworld Zimbabwe. I'm a sales consultant. We are here today in Luveve, Bulawayo, where we are handing over a brand new CAT 426 Backhoe Loader to Network Craft Investments. We are happy to hand over this machine because we know the value that it is going to bring to their operations. The TLB is a very versatile machine which can be used in different and various applications like digging, trenching, and loading applications as well. The 426, we are very confident that this machine will produce on the high productivity and efficiency that is expected of this machine. We are excited to hand over this machine in this year as we are celebrating 100 years of Caterpillar in existence since 1925, and we are happy and appreciate customers as Network Craft who give us this business, and we are here to support them throughout the life of this machine and in many other deals that are to follow. Thank you.